uh, defeat the purpose ng search committee. Kung pwede, ako personal.
Ayun na lang sa inyo, sir.
Walang kinalaman dun sa
JIL.
kung ano man yung magiging decision nila, di ba? And this is based also on the questions that was raised for me, di ba? Sinabi mo na yung re-electionist. Ako sabi ko, consider mo lahat ng re-electionists because they are sitting senators, di ba? And sa sitting senators na re-electionist, si Senator Pia Cayetano siguro yung most decorated senator re-electionist. Sa dami ng bills, sa dami ng legislation, sa dami ng diniscuss niya na in-exercise niya oversight functions ng Senate, etc.
So lahat ng re-electionist, sir?
To consider, no? And sabi ko nga, kung iisa-isahin natin, parang ako yun ang mga masasabi ko, di ba? Sino ba yung yun yung mga tanong sa akin, ano yung nagawa nito? Ano yung sinong author ba nito? Sinong nag-discuss nito? And then, may mga advocacies ang simbahan, di ba? I'm sure you're all aware of it.
Sir?
That's why si Senator Manny Pacquiao, I have to say, he's very famous sa Christian community.
Marami bang nanliligaw na mga kandidato sa JIL?
I think lahat naman nililigaw. Hindi na marami.
Sir, black voting ba?
We don't eh. We never encourage black voting. We only endorse. We feel na that's your personal yan eh, no? And your personal right. But it's important to guide your members eh. And yun din yung naging duty ko as a member of JIL to shed light dun sa mga questions nila who are really doing their jobs. May mga na-contribute na sinong kailangan ng Senado. Ito ba kailangan, tingin mo, etc. When our advocacy is on this path, siya ba going to this direction then or not? And then, I think tinatawagan din po nila yung mga candidates. I think.
Sir, pero
yun ang trabaho ko. Yun ang trabaho ko na sabihin sa kanila na iwasan naman natin yung walang i-contribute.
sir, may estimate lang kung gaano po kadami yung current members ng JIL.
JIL.
And meron din kino-consider sa mga returning senators. Kaya
To answer muna yung returning senators, Tito Sen, you know very well, no? OG natin dito sa Senado yan. And then Senator Ping, wala siguro makaka-question yung contribution ni Senator Ping as a legislator kasi
So kasama sila,
napakahirap mag-move forward ng institusyon pagka wala ka ring mga parang basketball team, wala kang mga veteran, no? Mga,
So kasama sila, sir,
alam mo
sa
sila.
kino-consider?
Hindi, yun yung sinasabi niya, election. Ako, again, this is my personal, yung binabanggit ko. I would wait for the endorsement of the leadership, and I don't want na pangunahan yung work ng search committee.
How about Bam and Kiko, personally?
Sa akin, when you talk about their contributions, above average, I would say, above average. Senator Kiko and Senator Bam worked with me in several instances. I've seen how they work. They're very hardworking. So, if that's what you're...
Padami na. Nabubuo na.
Sabi ko kanina ko pa sinasabi hindi ako magbabanggit. Titigil na ako. Again, uulitin ko, this is my personal and ayoko na muna magsalita.
Okay lang, sir. Paano pa at least malaman na ng public?
Sa search committee po namin, paki-intindi niyo po ang mga kaibigan ko dito sa Senate Media dahil yung personal po yung pinanong nila.
Sir, lang daw yung JIL member.
Masa 2 or 3, mga
Million.
ganun. Yes.
Nationwide and then
Worldwide.
worldwide kasi mga...
We have 72 countries outside the Philippines na chapters, no. We don't consider chapters countries kasi for example in Canada you have 14, 16 chapters na in one country. So,
Sir, before Marlon, sa tingin nyo this coming election,
tinanong mo ako personal eh.
personal,
Di ba?
Hin-
Ako yun.
Sir, sabi nga na kanina hindi siya magtatanong. Oo.
Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang hirap ng mga side comments.
Pero sir, tingin nyo this coming midterm election, malaking issue yung sino yung pro at anti-China?
Nawala ako. Yeah, I really think it's a big issue. Yung I think it's not just yung pro or anti-China, but are you pro-Philippines? No, I think it's very important. We have to really fight for what is ours. Kanina I was asked this morning about the Sandy Cay, di ba? So, sabi ko nga, yung China will do their thing, but tayo, we should do our part. Ano yung magagawa natin to fight for what is rightfully ours? Teritoryo natin dapat paglaban.
And
Importante pa, I think really important. And I think even the search committee would agree with me na yung mga hindi ipaglalaban yung soberenya ng bansa, hindi susuporta.
At do you think, sir, may indication talaga na may attempt or efforts ng China para maka-impluwensya sa resulta ng incoming election?
Oh, that's what I asked for dun sa National Security Council to do a threat assessment kasi it's bothering. It's a concern, great concern, I would say, and not just let's not single out China. Maybe other countries are also trying to meddle with our upcoming elections. So importante yung threat assessment, and we'll coordinate with the NSC and find out how we could be of help in any way.
So sir, would you advise the voters na kilatisin yung mga kandidato? Sino yung ipinaglalaban ng ating soberenya, ating territorial waters, at sino yung hindi?
Kung kinakailangan pong lumuhod ako at mag-appeal ng gusto sa ating mga voters na maging matalino, I will not ask them to decide how I am deciding also for myself, 'di ba? Basta yung sa tingin mo na makakatulong sa iyo sa bayan, kasi yung right to suffrage is very sacred. Kung titingnan natin yung ating kasaysayan, maraming dugo ang tumigis, maraming buhay ang naisacrifice para ma-enjoy natin itong demokrasya, itong karapatan na magluklok ng mga leader ng ating pamahalaan, local and national leaders. So, I pray very hard na yung right candidates would emerge as winners after the May 12 elections.
And then from NIMPA, before Marlon, sabi ni Senator Amy, ginagamit lang daw ang West Philippine Sea issue para i-divert ang atensyon ng publiko mula sa backlash dahil sa pag-aresto kay Duterte. Sa tingin niyo nga, sir, may ganong diversionary tactic na?
Well, marami kasing issue, and we don't know kung because of the election fever, lahat, I would say, lahat ng issue would be used. So I would go with that sweeping generalization na lahat ng issue gagamitin talaga. And it's unfortunate na talagang magagamit lahat ng issue to whatever you want to dikit itong isang issue na ito. Dikit ko dito, dikit ko sa tao, pag negative, positive, dikit, kuha, credit, grab itong ganito, etc. It's a natural phenomenon during elections. Lahat ganun eh. Kulang na lang sabihin, di ba nga, pati yung mga malls, sila nagpatayo, o lagyan ng tarpaulin yung mall, sila nagpatayo, etc. Ganun talaga eh. Lahat gagamiting issue. And that is why, ang appeal lang natin sa electorate is be wise, and at the end of the day, your decision will dictate the future of your family, your loved ones, your children most especially.
Okay, Marlon.
Sir, balikan ko lang yung sa digital nomad. What's the difference between an EO and a legislated one?
That's a
Bakit
good
mas-
one. Ang EO kasi is, alam mo, anytime po pwedeng i-revoke yan at pwedeng hindi i-implement na lang kung may pumalit na susunod na Pangulo. Another thing is that